been talking about this for the last 2 days.
Jenny not only has 2 boys in the New York City school system, she also works there.
To prepare for Monday's like remote class, then they have to take home like computer. But certain students, like, unfortunately, not many students have like computer at home.
It's an easy choice for her 6-year-old son.
Do you want a snow day or a virtual day on Monday?
A snow day.
But Mayor Mamdani was asked about it again on Thursday and said it's not so clear-cut.
What I want to make sure, however, is that we are making a decision that does not have a massive impact on people's day-to-day lives, not only this coming next few days, but also for the school year in its entirety.
New York City's Office of Emergency Management has sent out numerous alerts about the storm, including that flight delays and cancellations could start as early as Friday. The FDNY also reminding people to keep space heaters 3 feet away from all objects and plug it directly into an outlet. Cabby Musharraf tells me he's not looking forward to the snow. It means less money. Will you drive the cab in the snow?
Yeah, slowly.
But the New York City Sanitation Department says the roads will be the best they can be for cabbies and the rest of us. Prep start at 6 a.m. Friday with brining the city streets.
That brine is a liquid salt solution that really reduces the amount of snow and ice that accumulates. And then we will be loading our salt spreaders. We'll be converting our collection trucks into snow plows so that when the snow starts coming in very early on Sunday, we're ready to go.